Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this little party kit I got. So I'm gonna show you guys this here. So it's like just fun for party pictures and stuff. And so it comes with a whole bunch of different, things that you can do. So let's see. So it's got, looks like it's got a bunch of double-sided stickers on here, and then you got things that'll punch out, like so you could have the glasses. And so I guess what you'll do is you'll take one of the sticks here. It comes with sticks and stuff. Let's see. So if I take a stick. And then I would go and, I don't know if it's even a double-sided sticker or just a regular sticker, but whatever. So I'll stick it to here, and I gotta put it somewhere where it's not gonna be seen, and there. So then I can be like this in a masquerade. So I guess that's what it does. So it's just kind of stick it on there. So you could have this, you could have funny lips here. Why is this? Oh. You could have some lips. You could have a crown. Here's some other glasses here. So these are kind of cool. These will probably stay up without even the stick. Got my crown here. Everything's got all these punch out pieces. So there's a crown, so there you go. Look dignified. Oh, this one doesn't even punch out. So I guess if you wear this, you just be blind. Hey, thumbs up for me. Oh, thumbs down for me. More lips. Bow tie. Very nice. Bunny ears. Cool. More glasses. A cupcake. Yum yum. More glasses here. Some interesting ones. Oh, mustache. Oh, still pieces to punch out. More mustache. Mustache. Hello. Top hat. Oh, a different hat. That's kind of cool. Party hat. On the hat section. Cat ears. My head's too big. Sorry, I can do it. And this one here comes with the hat. Hat and glasses. Oh, we got some drinking glasses. Celebrate. And a microphone. So it looks like that's all the different pieces in this little kit. So that's a cool kit. Comes with all these pieces and parts in here. And so you can just totally put them inside a photo booth and let people go wild. And super fun. And it comes with enough stickers so you can put a bunch of stickers and sticks to make them hold them up and set it all up. And you can make a photo booth like for any kind of holiday, whatever, and just have them be fun. So good for a birthday, for New Year's, for anything. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.